Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the different types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. AI research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis. There are many different ways to classify AI, but one common way is to divide it into three types. 1. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI. 2. ANI is the most basic type of AI. 2. ANI systems are designed to perform a specific task, such as playing chess or Go. 2. They are not capable of general intelligence or common sense. 3. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. 4. AGI is a hypothetical type of AI that would be capable of understanding and reasoning like a human being. 4. AGI systems would be able to learn and adapt to new situations, and they would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human being can. 5. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. 6. ASI is a hypothetical type of AI that would be even more intelligent than AGI. 6. ASI systems would be able to surpass human intelligence in every way, and they could potentially pose a threat to humanity. In addition to these three main types, there are a number of other types of AI, such as 1. Reactive machines. 2. Reactive machines are the simplest type of AI. 2. They can only respond to their environment based on their current state. 3. Limited memory. 4. Limited memory AI systems can store information about their past experiences, which allows them to make better decisions in the future. 5. Theory of mind. 6. Theory of mind AI systems can understand the mental states of other agents, such as their beliefs, desires, and intentions. 7. Self-aware AI. 8. Self-aware AI systems are aware of their own existence and capabilities. 8. They can also understand their own thoughts and feelings. The development of AI is a rapidly evolving field, and new types of AI are being developed all the time. It is impossible to say for sure what the future holds for AI, but it is clear that it has the potential to revolutionize our world. In this video, we have only scratched the surface of the different types of AI. If you are interested in learning more, I encourage you to do some additional research. There are many great resources available online and in libraries. Thanks for watching.